How to share NGL link on Facebook story. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to learn how to share an NGL link on your Facebook story, then you're in the right place. First, make sure your Facebook account is connected to your Instagram account. And then to do this, you'll have to go to your Instagram account and head over to the account center. Go to sharing across profiles and make sure you're automatically share of your Instagram story to your Facebook is enabled. And now go to your NGL link again and then tap on share. Now this teaches you how to share to your Instagram story. First of all, you have to go to your sticker option and then tap on link and then copy and paste the link, and the next step is to share it. So what you have to do is first copy link and then go to your Instagram option, open Instagram, and then go to the sticker option, click on link and copy paste the link, tap on done, and then paste your NGL link here. Means you can add it like this and then tap on your stories, and that's it. Your post has been added on both Facebook and Instagram. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.